Time is what we want most, but what we use worst, said William Penn. Now think about that for a moment as we stand on the threshold of a new year, 2024. It's time to make every second count. Productivity is not about doing more, faster. It's about achieving more with less. It's about focusing your time and energy on what really matters. And today we're going to explore some practical strategies for boosting your productivity and making 2024 your most successful year yet. Firstly, prioritize. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by a long to-do list, but remember, not all tasks are created equal. Use the Eisenhower box, a simple decision-making tool that helps you sort tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. This way, you can focus on what truly matters and let go of the rest. Secondly, break it down. Large, complex tasks can seem daunting, but by breaking them down into smaller, manageable parts, they become much less intimidating. This strategy, known as chunking, can help you tackle big projects without feeling overwhelmed. Thirdly, time blocking. This is a time management technique where you schedule specific time slots for different tasks or activities throughout your day. It helps you stay focused, reduces multitasking, and ensures that you dedicate sufficient time to your most important tasks. Fourthly, embrace technology. There are countless apps and tools out there designed to help you stay organized and productive. From project management tools like Trello and Asana to focus apps like Forest and Focus Keeper, technology can be your best ally in your quest for increased productivity. Finally, take care of yourself. It's easy to forget, but productivity is directly linked to your physical and mental well-being. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and take breaks when needed. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. In summary, boosting productivity is all about strategic planning and mindful execution. Prioritize your tasks, break them down into manageable chunks, use time blocking to stay focused, embrace the help of technology, and don't forget to take care of yourself. As we step into 2024, remember this: every second counts, so make the most of it. Here's to a productive, successful, and fulfilling year ahead. Seize the opportunities that await and make 2024 your year of achievement.